Hi, my name is Travis Gapp, and you're watching DIY Home Maintenance Re-caulk the Tub, presented by Gapp Construction. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to catch more content from us in the future. If you want to find out more about what we do, catch us on the web at travisgappconstruction.com. If your caulk is loose or separating from the wall, it's time to re-caulk. Let's get down to business, gather the necessary tools and materials, and re-caulk our tub. The only specialty items you will need for this task are a caulk gun and a tube of 100% silicone designed for kitchen and bath use. You will also need cotton balls, paper towels or a rag, isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and a utility knife that uses a standard utility razor blade like this one here. Some of you may want to use gloves for protecting your hands during the project. First, clean the tub and wall in the areas where you want new caulk. Use alcohol to clean those surfaces. Don't mix bleach and isopropyl alcohol together. This can make chloroform gas and is potentially harmful. Finally, plug your tub so old caulk doesn't go down the drain. For old caulk removal, first, pull free any loose caulking. Next, we'll lay our blade flat to the tub like this. Run the blade at this angle along the edge of the caulk so that the blade gently pushes back to the wall. Be careful not to scratch any soft surfaces with your blade. When you're done along the tub, start on the wall. Wiggle your blade along the wall and slide the blade down between the wall and the caulk. Using alcohol to clean the edges of the old caulk before we started should help loosen any stubborn edges we encounter. Use this method all around the tub and remove the loose pieces of caulk. Don't worry about the little pieces hanging on. We'll get those. Using short choppy strokes, shift the blade slowly around the tub from both angles. You may have to repeat this step several times until the surface is free of the old silicone. Soaking your rag or cotton ball in rubbing alcohol and wiping along the old line of silicone will help loosen the remaining coating. Using the choppy strokes technique again after this will remove those final stubborn sticky spots. The cleaner you get the wall and tub where the new coat of silicone is going, the longer it will last. Once you've decided you're cleaned up and wiped down, apply one final dose of alcohol to the surfaces you're about to caulk. Put your razor blade back in the utility knife and cut the tube of silicone open around the 1/8 inch mark using the technique shown here. The optimal angle is between 45 and 60 degrees. Break the foil on the inside by poking it with the provided tool on the caulk gun. If your caulk gun doesn't have one of these, a stiff piece of wire will work. Pull the plunger back on the caulk gun and insert the tube. Begin by pointing the cut face of the tip toward the joint line. Angle the caulk gun up 45 degrees and 45 degrees back towards you in the direction of travel. Give yourself enough room to move fluidly from start to finish without obstructions. Always keep the cut face on the tip pointing in toward the joint line. With a clean, dry finger, lightly press a finger to the caulk and slide it over the fresh bead of silicone in one smooth, fluid motion. Try to only touch the silicone once. Trying to fix small mistakes will only make them worse. Mistakes can be fixed after 4 hours. Allow 24 hours dry time before using the tub or shower. If you applied a small bead, you could use it in as few as 18. Special thanks to Yancey Faulkner for lending me production equipment and Trish Gapp for helping with filming. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next month.